Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect your Metapixel to your WordPress site. So let's get right into it. Now, to connect your domain to Metapixel, I will be going over to the official face meta guide for this since I do not have access to my DNS records. However, there are several ways in which you can do this and I'll be covering a few of them. So let's get right into it. Now, the first method you can use is to use the business manager. So just go into the business manager and click on business settings. Then from there, click on the brand safety, select domains from the left navigation list, and now you can click on add. Once you click on add, just enter the domain name, and I'm pretty sure you don't need the www or the https, so just enter your site name dot whatever the extension is and click add domain. If you have more than one domain, select the domain which you want to confirm ownership for, and then choose the method you wish to use, such as DNS verification, meta tags, or an HTML file upload. For DNS files, I'm not sure exactly how you can modify or add DNS files on WordPress. I'm pretty sure you do need to have an FTP client for this, and I am not very well versed in how you can use them, so I'm just gonna skip over this step. But if you want to, if you know how to, you just need to add a DNS-TXT entry to the records to confirm ownership. However, I do know how you can use HTML files, so pretty much what you need to do is just download the HTML verification file from the business manager, upload that to the root directory of your site, and then confirm that it's uploaded by visiting that IP address of the site and click verify. Once you verify it, and that should be pretty much it. Now, once you're done with that, you can also insert meta tags. So you just need to edit your HTML code of your site, and in the head section of your domain homepage, before the first body section, you just need to add the meta tag, which you get from the business center or the business manager. And then once you add that tag, you can just click verify at the meta tag verification tab of the selected domain, and that should be it. And you can also upload an HTML file, which I already covered. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You can also associate Facebook pages with a verified domain. However, that is a bit too complicated and I don't know how to explain it myself, so I'm just going to skip over that. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.